Hi, in this video, we will compare Klaviyo and Systeme IO. Klaviyo is an email marketing platform that helps businesses grow by enabling them to engage with their customers through personalized email campaigns. It offers many features designed to enhance customer communication and drive sales. Klaviyo allows you to create and send targeted email campaigns based on customer behavior, preferences, and demographics. You can customize emails with dynamic content, A/B test variations, and automate the sending process. You can segment your audience based on various criteria, such as purchase history, browsing behavior, location, and more. This enables you to deliver highly targeted messages to specific customer segments. Klaviyo provides detailed analytics and reporting features to track the performance of your email campaigns. You can monitor metrics such as open rates, click-through rates, conversion rates, revenue generated, and more. Klaviyo offers powerful automation capabilities that allow you to set up triggered emails based on specific events or actions taken by your customers. Klaviyo integrates with various e-commerce platforms, CRMs, and other marketing tools, allowing you to sync customer data seamlessly and create a unified view of your customers across different channels. Klaviyo also provides a free plan. Klaviyo pricing plan is based on how many contacts you have and starts at $35 per month. On the other hand, Systeme IO is an all-in-one marketing platform designed to help entrepreneurs and businesses launch and manage their online presence. You can create and customize your website using drag-and-drop functionalities and pre-designed templates. Design and build sales funnels to capture leads, nurture them, and convert them into paying customers. Create, send, and track email campaigns to manage your subscriber list and engage your audience. Develop and sell online courses with tools to host content, manage student enrollment, and deliver educational materials. Systeme IO provides a free plan forever, and paid plan starts at $27 per month. If you want to use both Klaviyo and Systeme IO for free, then click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching our video.